All right, guys, today we're doing Jim Brickman. Remember, he was all over the radio years ago. Look this up on YouTube so you can hear what we're going to be learning. It's Jim Brickman, Love of My Life, featuring Donny Osmond. So that's what we're going to be doing, the piano part in there. It's a live version, really cool, in the key of C. So let me play a little bit of the intro for you. So I am Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, share, and play the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano lessons online. You can do it. You just have to choose the right lessons, then you have to know how to practice. That's what I'm here for, to teach you how to do that. I've been doing this for over 30 years, teaching people how to play without reading music, because for some people, it's a roadblock. All right, so if you're one of those people, jump in and let's see if it works for you. All right, so you can see on the board here, I use the whiteboard, and I used to actually have a real whiteboard and markers and stuff way back in the day, but now I've upgraded to digital, so this is a lot better, high resolution. In fact, if you are a member of Web Piano Teacher, you can download the sheet, either for printing out and writing on, or just to put it on a big monitor and zoom in if you have trouble seeing. And it stays high definition is the great thing about the sheets for this. But let's get going. All right, so we have our right hand with a G and an E. Here's middle C, so we're above that. G to E, left hand's on a middle C. And that little arrow is what I've always used just for an arpeggio. And then a G, and then a G. So these are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, bop, 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 bop. When the notes get faster, I put a curved line. That's just kind of a visual to help you see the rhythm. It's not an exact science by any means, but most of the rhythm you'll get from just hearing me demonstrate. That's a big part of the method is demonstration and then playing back. That's why people who use my method have very good ears and learn by ear very quickly. So the first measure, 1, 2, 3. I'll change the pedal on that measure. You can hold it down for that whole first measure. Works fine. Now A, C, E, that's an A minor chord if you just look at the right hand, but if you include the F in the left hand, it becomes an F major 7. Major 7 and the chords sound jazzy, don't they? All right, A, C, E, left hand on an F, then a middle C, then right hand's right there for the D, then an F. So it's 1, bum, 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 bum. Change the pedal here. F and C on the right, left hand on a G, then a D, and you come down the middle of the piano, C, D, E. But when you get to the E, the left hand will play a G. So right here, 1, 2, and bum, bum. Back to the beginning and go. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, there's our part 1. If you like this lesson, I have thousands and thousands of other lessons that you'll probably love on my website. It's more than a lifetime of music for many people. Hope you enjoyed the part 1. Talk to you later.